Well, here's a very special car with just 47,000 miles and an NCRS Top Flight award winner. We have this beautiful Corvette convertible to show you today. Again, just 47,000 miles. It's beautiful Marina Blue on the exterior, and again, it holds that coveted NCRS Top Flight award. Again, it is a code-correct Marina Blue on the exterior with that black stinger and code-correct bright blue vinyl interior with a beautiful black convertible top. It has a numbers-matching 390 horsepower, 427 cubic inch L36 engine, and a fun-to-drive 4-speed manual transmission. Now, features on this car include the factory side exhaust. It has soft gray tinted glass and windshield, Redline tires, AM/FM radio, power brakes. Original assembly date was February the 14th, Valentine's Day, 1967. The car's paint is in very good condition. It has a great shine. The convertible top is in very good to excellent condition, and all exterior glass shows a correct date code. Chrome bumpers show a very good to excellent finish. Taillights are very good to excellent, as well as the weather stripping. And those rally wheels are in very good to excellent condition as well. It's a beautiful car. The interior of this car shows good condition seats, GM seatbelts, steering wheel gauges, excellent carpet, dash pods, and very good center console. It also has correct pairing AM/FM radio in place. So give our photos of this car a really good look over. Our photos are very detailed, high quality detailed photos at bias-ply here. And then give one of our sales representatives a call at 770-414-5552. Remember, we always have 120 Corvettes in stock. Call today. We want to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. Remember, we're bias-ply in Atlanta, Georgia.